Alright, Jersey Jaguar, back at you another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Adidas Tiro 23 track jacket. I'm wearing it right now. Awesome jacket, guys. I'm going to have full size specs, close-up details, and a bunch of other stuff. Let's get to it. Alright, let's talk about the design of this jacket. First and foremost, it's going to have a nice, sleek look to it. Really professional looking, guys. I like this better than the Tiro 21. And I mentioned in my video about the Tiro 23 track pants that I also like those better than 21. Alright guys, so unlike the pants, the three stripes on the jacket is going to go from the top all the way down to the bottom. But just like the pants, we're going to have the Adidas logo on one side with no word mark. I think that looks better than with the word mark personally. Guys, we're going to have a zipper going from the top to the bottom on the front. And over here, the collar is going to be nice and short, which I like a lot. We're going to have two zipper pockets on the sides, and they are very spacious. All right, now let's take a look at the back of the jacket. So guys, the back of the jacket, the material is going to be completely different than the front of the jacket. Only towards the top of the jacket, we're going to get the same material, but it is dissected by this piping that you can see right there, that stripe I should say. And the back material is going to be thinner. It's going to be better for airflow. It's more mesh-like and it has a little hex design to it. Guys, do I like that? It's not bad. We'll see how it holds up though in the winter months. All right, so it's time to go over the measurements of the jacket, guys. This is a men's size medium. I'm going to be reading off the measurements in inches, but I will have centimeters on the screen as well for my international friends. All right, so pit to pit, meaning across the chest, we're going to have 21 inches. Now at the body, just under the pit to pit, we are going to have 20 inches. At the waist, right where the belt line is, we're going to have about 19.5 inches across. Top to bottom, meaning the back of the top collar all the way to the bottom of the jacket, we are going to have 29.25 inches. From the inside of the collar to the shoulder hem, we are going to have 7.25 inches. From the shoulder going all the way down to the sleeve, we're going to have 27 inches. From the inside of the collar going all the way down to the sleeves, we're going to have a total sleeve length of 34 inches. All right, so it's time to show you how this Adidas Tiro 23 track jacket fits. Now guys, it is a men's size medium, and for myself, I'm a little over 6'2". That's 189 centimeters. I'm somewhere between 184 and 186 pounds. So we'll say 84.5 kilograms, about 13.3 stone. Guys, my chest is roughly 40. I usually wear between a 35 and 37 inch sleeve, right? So with that said, I am pretty close to what the models are on the website, and they all wear size medium. All right, so it's time to give the Adidas Tiro 23 track jacket a final grade. We'll start with the pluses, and with the pluses, we're going to start off with that it has a nice short collar, guys. It doesn't get in the way. It's good for exercise and it's good for moving around. Next, I love the material. I love the overall sleek professional design. And finally, I love how the front and the back has different materials. I'm sure once you're getting a heavy workout, that it's going to come in handy. All right, it's time for the minuses of the jacket. The first and biggest minus is that even though it does have spacious pockets, the inside of the pocket lining does get a little bit annoying after a while. The forearms are extremely tight. If the forearms were this tight, I would have preferred to have a little zipper there like they have at the bottom of the pants. And finally, the pit to pit, meaning across the chest, and the body could have been just a hair bigger, maybe a ½ inch better, just to give a little bit more room to move around in. So with the final grade, I'm going to give this, with everything considered, 8.25. Excellent jacket, well above average. Definitely upgrade from the Tiro 21. All right, and there we go. This is one awesome jacket. Let me know if you guys will be picking it up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you liked the video, I appreciate a like and subscribe. If you haven't already, check out my review of the Adidas Tiro 23 track pants, and stay tuned. I will be doing a review and final grading of the pants and jacket together. I'll see you at the next one.